So this is May June 25, paper 2, variant 3 for IGCSE. Okay. Okay. Again, a question is given. A similar question. There is photosynthesis definitely, but what is the characteristic of all living things that is demonstrated in this one? That would be nutrition. Remember, wait, what is the chapter for photosynthesis called? Plant nutrition, right? So yes, nutrition includes photosynthesis. Okay. Just previously we did it now. What are the three characteristics shown? So nutrition is one of the characteristic, right? Okay. Next question. Which organism is a prokaryote one? That would be A. Prokaryote. It has improper nucleus. All other have the proper nucleus, membrane outer nucleus. What happened when the cell are placed in a sugar solution? Wait, what paper is this? First, let me check. It's paper. It becomes flaccid. So the cell lose water and become flaccid. Correct. Next one. In a DNA molecule, bond between pair of bases hold two strands together. High temperatures can break these bonds to form two single strands of DNA. The base pair C and G is held together more strongly than the base pair of A and T. Two molecules contain the same number of bases were studied. 20% are T and 20% are C. Which DNA molecule would require the lowest temperature to break into single strand? Okay. It's about the bonding as well, and it's about the I guess the other is okay. T and C. They would need higher temperature, yes. Uh, T is there. Yes, it's DNA molecule 1 because there are more A bases. T actually binds or let's say pairs up with A. So answer would be A. Okay, wait. Okay, these are weak and these are strong. Okay, this one is strong. Second molecule. Oh, right. You're right. I'm taking it in the other way. Wait. You're right. Wait, I'm missing that. Wait. If it has 20% T, then it means it has 30% C, right? It's 50-50%, right? 50%. Okay. If 30%, it is strongly bonded as compared to this one. So this is weak. So molecule 2 is weak. Molecule 2 is weak because there are more T and A present. So T is not given in the option, A is present. We need to find the complementary as well. That we missed. Have you got how I have calculated 30? 50-50. Correct. Okay. The diagram shows a process involving the enzyme in human stomachs, first of all. So what conditions are there and what is labeled as substrate? Which labeling for substrate is correct? Acidic. Have you opened the correct paper? Okay. Yes, it asking about the process R. Exactly. It's getting denatured. So it won't be acidic. It would be alkaline. Yes. That's why it has a like lower threshold. What is the balanced chemical equation for photosynthesis? Oh, wait. Think again. It's not B. C. 6 carbon dioxide, 6 water gives 1 molecule of glucose and 6 oxygen. Okay. A potato was removed from plant A. Okay. A 5-gram cube of potato was cut and put into a beaker with distilled water. What is the most likely to be the mass of cube after 2 hours? So if we are putting it in distilled water, the mass would be more. It's like a hypotonic solution. So what would be mass? There would be definitely higher than 5. So D. The diagram shows the direction of net movement of two substances across the human placenta. Okay. There is tissue P and then there is tissue Q. Which tissue represent the maternal blood and what substance is identified correctly? The net movement of two substances. Okay. One can be carbon dioxide, other can be urea, that is for very sure. But which, okay, carbon dioxide, leave it, okay, and urea also. So let's say both are living. So which one is correct? Okay, it's okay. It's let's say it's urea. It's moving to mother, so it can be B, right? So these are not two. These two are not in question. Huh? So amino acid starch. We are not going to discuss their transportation. We're going to discuss their transportation. Okay, number 9. A cross-sectional area of leaf is given. Which structure is palisade mesophyll cell? B. A plant has, oh, sorry, a person has swollen, a plant has swollen, wow. A person has swollen bleeding gums and slow wound healing. So, which nutrient is missing? Vitamin C. What is the deficiency name? There's a specific name for the deficiency of vitamin C. Skirt. Next one. Digested food molecules move into the cell of the body where they are used and become part of the cell. What is this process called? Wait, absorption. They are absorbed. They don't become part of the cell. That is assimilation. Next one. Okay, digestive system is given. Where does protein digestion begin? It starts in stomach. So B. The diagram shows cross sectional of a leaf, root, and stem. Okay. Which row do the numbers represent the xylem in the leaf, the root, and okay. Xylem is always present on the inner side. So let's say this and this. Okay. And also on the upper side. Yes. So it would be B, right? Yes. Which structure in human and plant normally carry amino acids? So in human, it is carried in arteries. Okay. And in phloem, definitely phloem carry amino acid and sucrose. So it's A. Through which pathway does blood leave the heart? They leave through aorta, right? And that aorta is connected to ventricle. So which is correct? B. Through arteries from the ventricle. Yeah, a pulmonary artery move out, takes the blood from heart to the lungs. Okay, right? Through arteries. Aorta is the biggest artery. and these are connected to the ventricles, both the pulmonary artery and aorta. The atrium or the atria are connected to the veins. Remember, the left atrium gets oxygenated blood from the lungs through pulmonary vein. Okay, and vena cava is also bringing the blood in the right atrium. Done. Okay, what is X and what is its function? Okay, we have done this so many times. This one is, wait, this, okay, no, this is phagocyte. It's a phagocyte and it engulfs the pathogens. Which row shows the effect of cholera on the human body? Movement of chloride ions into the small intestine. Water potential would decrease. Water leaving the anus would increase, right? Okay. So chloride ions move into the small intestine. Yes. The water potential would decrease, which moves the water into the small intestine. Okay. There are 2 points plotted on a graph, 1 and 2, and it's the relative diameter of lumen, and it's about the larynx. Okay, the trachea, let's say. Which rows identify the structure connected to the alveoli and the structure containing cartilage? Cartilage, the trachea, right? Trachea has a bigger lumen, while this one is connected to what alveoli? The bronchiole, it has a smaller lumen. So it's 2 and 1, C. Right? This one? The bronchi one? Okay. The trachea has a bigger lumen. It is a bigger pipe. While the bronchial is a smaller pipe, it has a smaller lumen. So the structure that is attached to alveoli is bronchiole, while the structure that contain the trachea is cartilage is trachea, which is one. Which process uses energy from respiration? The growth, cell division. Okay. Which statement explains the buildup and removal of oxygen there? Okay. Conversion into lactic acid. Then, okay. And then 2 and 5. So answer is A. Yes. What is filtered out in the blood, in the glomerulus and into the nephron? Both. Both goes into the nephron. So answer is A. What can be broken down to form urea? Urea is produced by amino acids, deamination by the liver. Okay. Reflex arc is given. Name the structures. This one is the sensory neuron, the relay neuron, and the motor neuron. P sensory, Q relay. Okay, the answer is D. Okay, next one. A diagram for cross section of an eye is given, and the person is looking at a near object. Okay. So what would be the answer? The lens would become thicker. So it would be either this or this. There would be more refraction. So this is the answer. Correct. Which hormone increases the blood glucose concentration in human? That is adrenaline and glucagon both. Correct. Next one. Okay. A shoe tip is cut, let's say, and there is X and Y. Okay, so after 3 days, the agar was cut into two halves, X and Y. Block X and Y are placed on the stem of shoot that had the tip cut off. What I was saying. The agar blocks were kept on the shoot stem for 1 week. What would represent the correct result? Okay, light is on the one side. Sorry. Okay, light is on one direction. Light is shown on only one direction. Keep the thing in mind. Okay. Then the shoot is divided into two parts. Okay, it has agar block here. It has agar block here, named as X and Y. Okay, so they are saying that if light is shown on one side only, first of all, where would the auxin move? On this side, on X. So only X would be bent. Y won't receive any auxin, so there won't be any bending in Y. So answer would be C. 27. What statement is correct about this? Okay. A diagram shows reproduction in the potato plant. Potato X was planted in the ground and a plant grew from it. The plant then produced potato Y. Okay, in one season it was stem source and another season sing. What is correct about this? Is this the asexual reproduction? Yes. So which is the correct one? C. Oh wait, B. Yes. Which statement about pollination is correct? Self-pollination increase the ability of the population to respond to change by increasing variation. No, self-pollination has a lesser variation. Reducing reduced variation respond to changes by increasing pollination. Reduce the ability of the population. Okay, it doesn't increase the ability. It reduces the ability of the population to reduce uh, by reducing the variation. So it's D. This paper should have the lowest threshold. Should have. It's confusing. Okay. Which day is the last day of menstruation? Menstruation. Around this. Exactly. So let's say 4. Yes. Next one. Which name is given to the different version of gene? allele? The diagram shows the cell of the mammalian embryo shortly after the fertilization. So this is an embryo, and what is the correct description of these cells? Embryo contains stem cells. No. Stem cells. These are the undifferentiated cells, which further gets the differentiation, get differentiated into different cells. Okay. Again, a pedigree is there. Heterozygous are there. Okay. One thing I've told, if offspring has a recessive allele, parents are heterozygous. If parents have a homozygous or recessive allele, then children would definitely be heterozygous. Okay. Okay, but this one is a sex-linked disease, and okay, there's a female and there is a male. So then there's so I guess it's X-linked. I guess it is X-linked. So how many would be heterozygous? Two. Two, definitely, because their offsprings are the homozygous recessive, or they have the affected males. The affected males mean the females are the carrier, must be carrier, must have the X chromosome, which has a recessive allele, right? So it's 2 and 3. Which road describes the continuous and discontinuous variation? So continuous variation is the body mass, yes. Seed color, no. No. Okay, this can also be there. Caused by genes and environment, yes. Okay, discontinuous variation caused by genes and environment. No. So the only correct option is B. Okay. 34. Which statement describes the adaptive feature in an organism? Okay. Adaptive features are transmitted. Yes. That is the natural selection, or the adaptation. The adaptations are further passed on to the next generation. So continuous variation might not be there. So it's C. Okay. This graph shows the change in the percentage of bacteria resistant to antibiotic X. That's increasing. What causes the change show in the graph? Natural selection. Yes. Other because the other which are not resistant, they would definitely be died when the antibiotic was used. The bacteria shows the flow of energy in units. What percentage is lost from producer to secondary consumer? Okay, here 100 to 10. 1000 to 10 over 1000 into 100, right? Let's erase the zeros. What are you writing then? Oh, yes, 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 we can. We can. But I think if 1000 is converting into 10, that is also okay. There's no need to going from like 100 to 1000 to 100 or 100 to 10. We can directly move from 1000 to like 10. 10 divided by 1000 multiplied by 100. Wait, 10 divided by 1000 multiplied by 100 is 99. How come? No, 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 no. This was the previous one which we did earlier, right? 10. Wait, 10,000 divided by 1000? No, is 1%. Exactly. 1% subtract 1% is transferred, so 99% is lost. Is it so? Right? Which process in the nitrogen cycle can be caused by lightning and bacteria? Wait, nitrogen fixation, correct. Next one, okay. Uh, Population growth curve is given, which shows when death rates are higher than birth rates. D, the decline phase. What is the disadvantage of choosing the monoculture? There would be a possibility that disease would outbreak and it would destroy the entire crop. Okay, some processes are given. This is the repeated one, so which is the correct order? Human gene is isolated, inserted into the plasmid, allowed to grow. So C, I guess, is the right option. Okay. So this is all for now.